25 D9 Bulldozer. I'm at KFC drive-thru. Hey, I'm on the drive-thru. Hey, Bulldozer, number 6, through the drive-thru.
Well, while you're in the drive-thru there, number 6, give me a bucket of chicken. Give me a bucket of chicken, I'll see ya.
I see ya. Bye, Bulldozer. Bye. Number 6 through the drive-thru. Aloha, mate.
Have a good on 53 and also Fireman. Fireman, take care 53. 2510 God.
Bye, Fireman, number 6, waving again. Fireman, number 6, Mobile, waving one more time around.
Aloha.
All right, that 2553, you're 2516, waving at you too.
Real good copy, 2510. Aloha. Hey, 53. Big Red, Honolulu. Yeah, Fireman.
Hey, Fireman, number 6, Fireman. Hey, Fireman, number 6, waving at you that break.
Springtime, Greenland, Hawaii today. Denis the Menis in sunny Queensland, Australia.
Hello, Denis the Menace. Denis the Menace, number 6, downtown Honolulu, waving a hand at you.
Fireman, you walking and talking downtown Honolulu. Fireman, 2510, read the mail. Contact, Fireman.
Bye, Denis the Menace. Bye, Denis the Menace, number 6, downtown Honolulu. Aloha.
Man, take us in another big brother, 2510, right back, come on. Right back, it's rough, man, it's rough. You guys have a good one. I'll be standing by again. Aloha.
Hey, Denis the Menace, where'd you go? Hey, Denis the Menace, number 6, downtown Honolulu. All right there, Denis the Menace, number 6, downtown Honolulu. Aloha. All right there, Denis the Menace. Yeah, save some flowers for yourself. Denis the Menace. Yeah, you tell your buddy 330 Wally that number 6, waving a hand at him too.
Number 6.
Yeah.
I like the way you do it.
I learned from the best.
Yeah, that's what I mean, that Mobius can talk there.
Check.